Hello everybody, welcome to lesson number 12, IR verbs. In the past lesson, we have already learned the AR verbs. In the similar way, today we are going to learn IR regular verbs. This will give you another essence of the verb family. The regular verb family, to be very specific. So let's move on to the conjugation of regular IR verbs. Let's get going, guys. Let's get started, guys, with the IR verb conjugation. The verb for the example is abrir. Abrir means to open. Abrir is an IR ending verb. Now what do we do with this verb to conjugate it with every personal pronoun? So we remove IR from abrir and take the infinitive form of it in the way ABR without the IR, and then we conjugate with the endings. So yo abro. ABR is taken from the verb abrir and O is the ending. So for IR verbs with the personal pronoun yo, the ending is O, always. Abro, I open. Tu abres, you open. The ending with tu is es. El abre, he opens. With el, the ending is e. As you can see, after ABR, we have put e. Ella abre. So L and ella always have the same ending. So it is ella abre. E is the ending. She opens. Nosotros abrimos. We open. So we took ABR and the ending is imos, IMOS. Nosotros abrimos. Vosotros abrís. You open. IS is the ending. ABR is common for all the personal pronouns, and here the ending is IS. Ellos abren. They open. The ending is EN. Here. Ellas abren. They open. Again, EN is the ending. El, ella have the same ending. Ellos, ellas have the same ending. So I hope this conjugation is clear for you for the IR verbs, and here comes a list of verbs for you people to conjugate, and the same way as we did for abrir, so that you can be more confident with the conjugation. I will read out the verbs for you for better pronunciation. First is abrir, to open. Añadir, to add. Asistir, to attend. Describir, to describe. Discutir, to discuss. Escribir, to write. Interrumpir, to interrupt. Ocurrir, to occur. Partir, to leave. Recibir, to receive. Subir, to go up or to climb. Sufrir, to suffer. Vivir, to live. also conjugate as many verbs as possible with the appropriate endings that we have shown you with the verb abrir, so that you can get more confident. Thanks for watching our today's video. Do like, comment, share, subscribe our YouTube channel. Are ruko? Please press the bell icon to not miss any update of our language channel Lingo, and wait for our next video as we are covering many of the concepts which will help you build your language skill. So see you soon. Bye bye.